This trade was taken in Indian stock market on 7th of May 2024. The stock name is Max Financial Services. So previous day we see that we had a bearish candle, strong bearish candle, and we don't have any inefficiency remaining here from which the price may react, and the price is coming from this bearish fair value gap, and so therefore the next drawn liquidity is this swing low. So based on that, today we were bearish, and this was today's price action. So as you can see here, price was normally it has taken this swing highs here as a buy side, and then has given this push to the downside. We had a bearish fair value gap here. We could have taken this trade from here because this was a market structure shift. May not be here, but in 2 minutes time frame it was a market structure shift. But I noticed that if I take a trade from here, keeping my stop loss here, then the maximum that can be traded is 1.5. So I thought that I will not take a trade from here. So wishful thinking, I thought that after some time when you take the previous day low and then create another bearish fair value gap, then I will take the trade. So no problem, this type of setup I got here. It created a fair value gap here, and then after some time it created a second fair value gap here, like this. So then I entered from here, keeping my stop loss right above this and target below this 2.5:1. So as you can see, it has taken my stops, and the analysis is like this. It had kept these pending fair value gaps here. So now it has gone there and then reacted from there. So this is a typically, I mean, when market is like this type of crazy up and down movement, then only this type of thing happens. So as you know, now the market condition is very pure. Every stock is going down, and not only that, it is either it is going down rapidly without giving you any kind of retracement or entry to participate, or otherwise it is giving you stop losses like this. So that's it, nothing that I could have done in this case. So I took this loss and then move on to the next trade.